I start most mornings like this. I did it. You think I could do double?
Yeah.
I've never done double. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. I can't believe that worked. Oh, I have no life.
Oh my god.
No life at all. Long distance. It's happening. First try. Oh, it almost happened. Oh, look. I'm awesome. Okay. Dude. Oh, what? You kidding me? Again?
That might be the best you're gonna get.
No, it's happening. We gotta make it happen. I still don't have a life. You like how this whole time I've just been drinking coffee? I've already made my coffee. You guys gave me some trampoline skate trick suggestions, so I'm gonna go through these and do a couple to start my day. Try a tray double. I got you. I don't think I've ever done this. That's a single. Oh, that was it. Ow! Kinda. Counting it. Double late flip. That's a good one. Oh, I missed. That was so scary. Oh. Did it. Dolphin flip. Chris Chan up in here. Okay. Oh, that was almost so cool. I did double. Didn't mean to do that. Doesn't count. Did it. Nollie inward heel. Okay. Crap. Here we go. Laser flip. First try. That was not first try. Ow! Ow! That hurts so bad. That was horrible. There we go. Last trick. Brian Ames wants me to do a roast beef finger flip. What's a roast beef? Is that when you like grab with your backhand?
I don't know.
Behind you?
Why are you asking me?
Good point. I have no idea. I think it's when you grab with your backhand like that. Like a melon except with your backhand.
If that's what you say.
Okay, that's it. That's it. I don't even know if I can do a normal roast beef. Oh, okay. I did it. How the heck do I do that? Oh, Brian Ames. That is so hard. I can't believe I did that. Tramp skating is like at least 10 times harder than normal skateboarding as far as physical exertion goes. That was a scientific sentence.
I didn't even mean to do that.
All right, let's go inside. Nope, okay. Do a trick shot. What? Okay, so Mocha was just taking her bone and throwing it over and over again. So I set the basket somewhere just to see if she would throw it in the basket. And that happened within 1 minute. And of course, as soon as I said do a trick shot, she did it. So Mocha, you are viable. Oh my gosh! You almost did it again! Can you clean it up? Oh, she should clean it up. Oh my gosh. Do it again. Oh! Did it almost go in there? Yeah. Do it again, Mocha. Clean it up. Wrong direction, Mocha. will literally pay you $100 if you try to drop in on that.
That's like paying for my hospital bills if you want that to happen.
That's true. That is very true. Is it sturdy?
$100?
Yeah, go for it, man. Oh my gosh. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. Dude, that's possible, for sure.
Oh, for sure.
Dude, what are you doing? I didn't even tell you to do this.
Step on that and make sure it's not like super flimsy. Oh no, that's falling down.
Oh my gosh, you're doing it?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it was a good try. You wanna skate this part?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, we'll do it. So it looks like we might get rained on, not sure, but there's a skate park literally right over there that we're gonna try to check out. We are gonna check out, we're not gonna try to check out. What are you doing? That was
Riding that motorcycle, dude. I gotta stay warm.
uncomfortable. Cool. It's raining. We're playing D&D. I look like a Sith Lord. This is crazy. I know, it's crazy. You might get a light bulb. That's us. There's an army coming towards us. That's a river. And Ryan's saving the day, you know?
I am.
Grundle, that's his name.
Grundle, the Great.
That's a pretzel.
The Great.
Is that a pretzel?
No, it's not.
That's a nut. Okay.
It's an almond.
Did you know that I stream on Twitch? I have a green screen to prove it. And a dog. That didn't prove anything. I stream on Twitch 3 times a week. You guys are missing out if you haven't watched it. What are you doing? You're eating my headphones. Okay. I just streamed Sea of Thieves. It was fun. It was super fun. And you weren't here. Unless you were. Then you had fun. Twitch.tv/SamTaborGaming. That's where you should go. What are you doing? Being a dog? Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely did this vlog a little differently than I normally do. Let me know in a comment below if you liked the way I did it this time, okay? It'll help me out. Karate chopping things. There's a lot of links below. I have 2 stores, samtaborstore.com for channel merch, stuff like that. Mocha, you're eating a screwdriver. Don't eat a screwdriver. And the farewellfriend.com for music related stuff. That's right, I make music and stuff. I have a new EP, it's available on all streaming sites, so if you guys wanna check it out, just type in The Farewell Friend on the streaming site of your choice, including iTunes. I'm gonna end this video and get my dog to stop eating everything in its path, okay? Have a good one. You wanna see a magic trick? It's not magical. It's designed to do that. This better be the greatest thing ever. Sid? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it was cool for a second. Oh, you did not like that. I'm sorry. No, you should be sorry. It was your idea.